Hello there, beautiful souls. Welcome to Healing and Mastery, the podcast where we talk about healing, self mastery, and turning your pain into power. I'm Joanne, your host, and guys, trust me when I say I've been where you are. I used to feel completely lost, drowning in addiction, alcohol, cocaine, battling severe anxiety and depression, CPTSD also, and carrying the scars of childhood trauma. My life felt like it was spiraling, but I made a choice to change. I healed, I transformed, and now I'm here to help you do the same. This podcast is your safe space to learn how to reprogram your mind, break free from toxic patterns, and unlock the life that you truly deserve. We'll dive into topics like healing wounds, mastering your subconscious, relationships, spirituality, and manifestation. Plus, I'll share weekly affirmations, meditations, and plenty of real talk. Because healing isn't always pretty, right? But it's worth it. So if you are ready to grow, to laugh, and to cry, then step into your power. Hit that subscribe and follow button and join me on this journey. You're not just healing, you are mastering yourself and life. Okay, so welcome to the family.